In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change line spacing in Word, whether you're working on a school report, a professional document, or just tweaking a personal project. Understanding how to adjust line spacing can make a big difference. It can enhance readability, provide a cleaner look, and even help you fit more text onto a page. So let's dive in and take it step by step. First things first, you want to start by opening your Microsoft Word document where you'd like to make the spacing changes. Once you're in your document, take a look at the top of your screen. There you'll find a variety of tabs like Home, Insert, and more. You'll want to direct your attention to a tab labeled Layout. Go ahead and click on Layout. This tab is home to many tools that control the overall appearance of your document, such as margins, orientation, and of course, line spacing. After you've clicked on the Layout tab, your next task is to navigate to the Paragraph section. This section contains tools specifically designed for adjusting textual elements in your document. It's here where you can make changes to indents, alignments, and line spacing. So, keep an eye out for the specific option labeled Spacing. Once you've located the spacing section, you're nearly there. Click here and you'll see some different options begin to unfold. These options typically include single, and double spacing, which are the most common. However, for more customization, you might see additional options like multiple, where you can input your own number, giving you complete control over how densely or sparsely your text is formatted. With these options, you can choose the line spacing that best fits the needs of your document. Single spacing means there's no extra space between lines, and double spacing leaves a full blank line between each line of text, often used in academic papers. To apply a change, simply click on your desired spacing option, and you'll see your text immediately adjust within the document. If you're looking to apply a different line spacing to only a specific portion of your text, highlight that section before performing these steps, ensuring only that part of your text changes, leaving the rest of your document untouched. So there you have it, a simple way to transform your document's appearance by adjusting line spacing in Word. Remember, you can always experiment with different spacings to see what looks best for your particular project. Playing around with these options can give you the perfect look for any purpose, be it formal, informal, or anywhere in between. Thanks for watching, and have fun editing your documents.